Divas. So in today's video, I'm here to share with you guys this fabulous curly hair that I'm wearing right now. I'm here to share with you guys my unboxing as well as my first thoughts with styling this hair and everything. So yeah, if you guys are interested, then go ahead and stay tuned. And before we jump into the video, I did want to let you guys know that there will be links provided in the description box below in case you guys want more details as far as pricing and everything. So definitely go ahead and check that out. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing and the first impressions of this hair.
Them make a bad man feel alright. Man, I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class. No, 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 no. You the beat of the bad man, but up the beat, and a bad man, but up the beat. You say yeah, bad man, but up the beat, and a bad man, but up the beat. You the beat of the bad man, but up the beat, and a bad man, but up the beat. So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Come true.
Hey divas, so I constructed the bundles into a unit. So here it is. I did brush the unit out. I just wanted to brush it out because I washed it, and then I just like to brush it out after I wash it to see how much frizziness the hair has, and that's gonna determine like the products that I use. But that's me personally. You don't have to do that. And I'm not wearing any makeup today because I have errands to run and it's freaking hot outside already. So I'm just like, you know what, not today, or not right now anyways. I'll wait till it cools down later. Anyways, here it is. So I didn't use all the hair. I had about half of a bundle of the 12-inch left. So yeah, that's just 3 bundles in a closure with half a bundle left, so like 2.5 bundles in a closure, which I think is pretty good because this wig is pretty full. So yeah, I did go in and bleach the knots, but I didn't tint them. So I'm just gonna tint them with some foundation because I don't know which color I should be using for tinting, and I just don't feel like it's too hot to. I also added an elastic band just because I plan to do like water activities as it's summertime. So I don't want my wig to like fall off. Like I need my wig to be secure. So I did go in and add an elastic band. I did construct this unit with the hot glue gun method. So this is what it looks like on. Now this is gonna be my first time styling it, so I'm kind of like seeing what products will work with this hair. So I have a few things in front of me, so I'm gonna see. Okay, so I have, of course, my water. I just use bottled water. I use Evian or Crystal Geyser. That doesn't really matter. I guess you can use water from the sink, but I just personally like to use this water because I don't drink water from the sink, so I just don't want to do that. So anyways, I also have this styling cream here. It's by Elite Essentials. This is from Amazon. You guys know I love Amazon, so yeah. But anyways, and this hair is from Amazon too, as a matter of fact. So yeah, so this is from Amazon. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna use yet. I'm gonna see how it does. And then I have this Lotta Body, which I shook it up already, but it's usually like a clear blue color. This is the Fortify Me Strengthening Leave-In Conditioner. So I think I'm gonna try, I don't know, let me see. I think I'm gonna try this and see how it works to see if it'll like keep down like any frizz that the hair may have, which the hair doesn't have too much frizz. So let me just add the water. Why is this taking forever to come out? Like, is it closed? It was closed. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this hair is looking good already just by adding water, so that's really good. Which means you can kind of like go without adding products. So I wanted to do a first impressions with you guys. That's why I wanted to come and style it on camera so you guys could see everything, like my first impression. So I think this hair is really good so far because I just added the water and it looks pretty darn good already. So that's really good. I'm trying to get the roots a little bit, but not too much because I did the hot glue gun method, but I don't want it to look poofy in that area. So here's how the curls look. They look really good, especially from the side that I brushed out. But they look really good. So now I'm gonna try this Fortify Me Strengthen and Leave-In Conditioner by Lotta Body. I really love Lotta Body products. I absolutely love their mousse, so I was like, I wanted to try this out. I also have like some type of styling lotion for curly hair as well, which I'm gonna be trying out either on this hair or some other hair. But yeah, I'm just gonna put this on here. This hair is nice, like, and it has minimal shedding, so that's really good because usually with curly hair, I get a lot of shedding. I'm just gonna brush through the curls to just like kind of define them a little bit more and then scrunch them up. Yeah, I really like this curl pattern. I didn't think I was gonna like it. I've never tried the deep wave. I thought it was just gonna be like a hot mess, but it looks really good. Okay, so I just wanted to do those first impressions for you guys. I'm gonna go in and fix the rest of the hair, but I did want to go ahead and give you guys like my first impressions and everything. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in and make this hair work for me. Okay, so here it is after I've laid the closure flat and everything. One thing I am noticing, like as the closure gets dry, it is like getting a little bit frizzy on this side. Like on this side rather, on this side it's not doing that, but on this side it is like a little bit frizzy. So in that case, I wanted to see what products I need to use, which is good, which I'm actually going to be wearing this hair out today. But so this one, it will be good probably just for like starters, but you'll probably need like a styling cream or something. And I have some other products to prevent frizz. So the closure does get frizzy, and I did purchase this closure myself. Actually, I chose this one. I chose to go with the 12-inch just so everything could kind of correlate and go together, because the company did not send me one, which was so tacky. They just wanted to send me the bundles, but you guys know I only wear wigs, so I was like, I guess I can buy the closure. But yeah, so the closure is getting pretty frizzy, as you guys can see. Matches the pattern. It just needs like a product that's gonna help it to not get frizzy, which it's okay with me. I didn't want to take out any of my edges, so I kind of just created baby hairs kind of at the front, and I think that looks okay, especially for a curly style. I feel like you don't really need it because it's just kind of like, I don't know, like for me, I just kind of feel like you don't really need baby hair. I mean, it makes it look good, but I don't know, like especially if you're going to get in the water. Like this weekend I plan to do water activities, and I probably won't do baby hairs because number one, it's gonna come up anyways, because got to be does not hold water. And I'm sorry, I'm just casually defrizzing that really quick. And I'll add some to this side so it doesn't look crazy. Yeah, I'm glad to see like what I need to use, like what kind of products, or if I have to use light products or whatever. So I don't have to use a lot of product. It's just that this would definitely need something to defrizz it. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you guys did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I would love to communicate with you lovely divas. And in case you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, I would love to answer those questions, and I would love to communicate with you lovely divas. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit the notification bell so you will not miss any of my uploads. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous fabulous divas in my next video. Bye. I wanted to give an update with this hair, and I'm just using my phone to record, but it did get a little bit poofy, but it's still pretty. I don't know if you guys can see, but it still looks pretty. I like it.